Students, congratulations for coming to the class. Today we will discuss. I am Mohammad Musliha Begum, assistant teacher from BL High School. Students, we will discuss. We will take a class 8, subject English, Adhyay 5, lesson number 1. Students, open your book. Open your textbook. Page number 45. Lesson number 1, the beginning. Have you got the lesson? Okay, thank you. Students, we can see some keywords. Typical, extraordinary, willpower, determination, aspect, spirit, define. Dear students, we will discuss these keywords. We must discuss these keywords after reading the text. Now, I am reading the text at first. There is a small village called Bhawanipur in Jhinaidah. It is a typical Bangladeshi village. People here spend their day-to-day life mostly working in the fields and doing household work. In this ordinary village, there lives an extraordinary woman named Shamima Akhtar Maya. Shamima's willpower and determination have made her extraordinary. She has seen the most cruel aspect of life, but the cruelty could not defeat her spirit. She has come out as a winner, defying all the odds of life. Shamima is now 32 years old. She has only one son named Ashikur Rahman Kono. She runs a small boutique called Oiko Nari Kullan Sanstha in her village. Let's hear from Shamima how she succeeded in setting up her boutique. Students, I will read the text again because I want to tell the Bangla meaning of the text with Bangla meaning of the text. So, again I am reading the text. There is a small village called Bhawanipur in Jhinaidah. ঝিনাইদহে ভবানীপুর নামে একটি ছোট্ট গ্রাম আছে। It is a typical Bangladeshi village. এটা একটা বাংলাদেশের আদর্শ গ্রাম। People here spend their day-to-day life mostly working in the fields and doing household work. এখানকার জনগণ তাদের দৈনন্দিন সময় বেশিরভাগ মাঠে কাজ করে এবং গৃহকর্ম করে কাটায়। In this ordinary village, এই সাধারণ গ্রামে, ভবানীপুরের মতো একটা সাধারণ গ্রামে, there lives an extraordinary woman named Shamima Akhtar Maya. এই সাধারণ একটি গ্রামে শামিমা আক্তার মায়া নামে এক অসাধারণ নারী বাস করে। Shamima's willpower and determination have made her extraordinary. শামিমার ইচ্ছা শক্তি এবং ডিটারমিনেশন দৃঢ় সংকল্প রূপক তাকে অসাধারণ করেছে। She has seen the most cruel aspect of life. সে জীবনের নিষ্ঠুরতম দিক দেখেছে। But the cruelty could not defeat her spirit. কিন্তু তার স্পিরিটকে অর্থাৎ তার সাহসিকতাকে দমাতে পারেনি নিষ্ঠুরতা। She has come out as a winner, defying all the odds of life. সে বিজয়ী হয়েছে, জীবনের সকল বাধাকে উপেক্ষা করে সে আজ বিজয়ী। শামিমা is now 32 years old. শামিমার বয়স এখন 32 বছর। She has only one son named আশিকুর রহমান কনক। আশিকুর রহমান কনক নামে তার একটা পুত্র সন্তান আছে। She runs a small boutique. সে একটা ছোট্ট বুটিক চালায় called ঐক্য নারী কল্যাণ সংস্থা in her village. এটার নাম ঐক্য নারী কল্যাণ সংস্থা তার গ্রামে। Let's hear from শামিমা। চলো আমরা শামিমার কাছ থেকে শুনি how she succeeded in setting up her boutique। কিভাবে সে তার বুটিকটা প্রতিষ্ঠা করেছে এটা তার কাছ থেকে আমরা শুনব। Adapted from প্রথম আলো because students I think this topic that means this unit is adapted from প্রথম আলো June 17, 2005. Dear students, now we will discuss the keywords with Bangla meaning. Typical means in Bangla আদর্শ, extraordinary অসাধারণ, will power ইচ্ছা শক্তি, determination দৃঢ় সংকল্প, aspect দৃষ্টিভঙ্গি বা দিক, spirit আত্মা বা স্পৃহা, define এড়িয়ে চলা, উপেক্ষা করা, অমান্য করা। Students, can you understand? Okay, thank you. Dear students, we can see some questions below the text. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Students, can you tell me what type of questions? Yes, thank you. These questions according to your question paper, question number 1. Now we will discuss about question number 1, that means multiple choice question. One number. Bhawanipur is a typical Bangladeshi village. The underlined word means option A, unusual, option B, usual, C, famous, D, infamous. Students, can you tell me what option is correct? Thank you. The option B is correct. Then 2. Shamima is an extraordinary person. Extraordinary means common, simple, amazing, formal. Section. Option C is correct. Amazing. Question number 3. The people of determination succeeded in the long run. Determination means willpower, weakness, strong desire, wish. Option C is correct. That means strong desire. Students, look at the page number 46. Question number 4. Shamima has faced the darkest aspect of life. Aspect means appearance, position, characteristics, pitch. Option B is correct. That means position. The tragedy in Shamima's life could not defeat a spirit. Spirit means ghost, soul, strength, wisdom. Option C is correct. That means strength. Dear students, I will write some extra words from the text on board. Students, you will write the words on your textbook or khata with me. At first, cruel. Pronounce with me. Cruel. Cruel. That means option A, kind. Option B, pleasant. Option C, painful. Option D, joyful. Students, you can easily tell which option is correct. Cruel means. Thank you. Option C is correct. That means cruel means painful. Next, defeat. Defeat. Defeat means option A, loss. Option B, beat. Option C, win. Option D, fail. I think option B is correct. That means defeat means beat. Students, next, winner. Winner, pronounce with me. Winner. Winner means option A, loser. Option B, surrender. Option B, surrender. Option C, victor. Option C, victor. Option D, failure. Option D, failure. Which answer is correct? Students, thank you. Option C is correct. Students, then I will write another question. According to the question number 1, Shamima. Shamima has option a small shop. Option B, a small house. Option C, house. Shamima has a small shop. Next, Shamima is now Shamima is option A, child. Option A, child. Option B, teenager. Option B, teenager. Option C, middle-aged. Middle-aged. Option D, old. Students, we know from the text now Shamima is middle-aged. Thank you, students. Students, we will discuss another question according to the question paper. Question number 2. Students, look at the section C in your textbook, page number 46. Section C. Read the text again and answer the following questions. There are 3 questions. What type of village does Shamima live in? What do the people of Bhawanipur village usually do? What has Shamima done to make herself extraordinary? Students, if you want to tell the answer of the following questions, you must read the text again. So, students, read the text silently and write down the answer on your notebook or khata. You will get 3 minutes. Students, have you finished writing the answer? Okay, thank you. You have finished writing the answers. about the text on board for your homework. Question number 1. What is the main profession What is the main profession of the people of Bhawanipur? Bhawanipur. Question number 2. What is Oiko Nari Kollan Samstha? What is Oiko Nari Kollan Samstha? Question number 3. What has Shamima said in her village? Question number 4. What lesson do you learn? What lesson do you learn from? What lesson do you learn from the text? Students, what is the main profession of the people of Bhawanipur? What is Oiko Nari Kollan Samstha? What has Shamima said in her village? What lesson do you learn from the text? Students, about these questions we will discuss after, that means in the next class. And about this text we will discuss question number 3, that means missing word. Students, what is Oiko Nari Kollan কল্যাণ সংস্থা। Students, again see your textbook, page number 45, second para. She runs a small boutique. Boutique means that means, can you tell me what is boutique? Okay, thank you. I explain. Boutique means a small shop, especially that sells fashionable clothes, jewelry, accessories, and so on. Is it clear? Thank you very much, dear students. Time is over. Thank you very much. All the best. করোনাকে ভয় নয়, স্বাস্থ্য সচেতনতারই হবে জয়। ধন্যবাদ।